What if the reason your projects still take hours is not your skill, but the tools you are missing? On AU Techverse, we are breaking down 25 genius woodworking tools that can instantly improve your precision, speed, and overall workflow. Stay with us, because every tool featured in this video has its Amazon link in the description, and missing even one could slow your progress without you realizing it. Soccer pole saw and mini chainsaw. Trimming branches or cutting small wood pieces manually can be slow and tiring. The soccer pole saw and mini chainsaw offers a compact cordless design with a high-efficiency motor and durable chain for smooth cutting. Its lightweight body allows one-handed operation, while the safety lock improves control during use. Suitable for pruning and light cutting tasks, it is a practical tool for handling outdoor woodworking needs with speed and convenience. WEN Miter Saw Protractor. Measuring angles accurately for trim or molding work often leads to guesswork and wasted cuts. The WEN Miter Saw Protractor features laser-engraved scales and dual measurement systems for both single and compound cuts. It allows you to capture angles and transfer them directly to your saw without calculations. Built from durable aluminum, it ensures long-term accuracy. It is a reliable tool for achieving precise angle cuts with less effort. Eleon Blockcision setup blocks woodworking tools. Setting exact heights for blades or fences can be time-consuming without reference tools. The Eleon Blockcision setup blocks include multiple precision machined blocks that combine to create accurate height measurements. Made from aluminum alloy with engraved markings, they allow quick adjustments for routers and table saws. The compact storage case keeps everything organized. It is a practical tool for achieving consistent setups and saving time during adjustments. DEKOPRO Electric Jigsaw Tool. Cutting curves or detailed shapes requires both power and control. The DEKOPRO Electric Jigsaw Tool delivers variable speed performance with up to 3,000 strokes per minute for different materials. It features tool-free blade changes and adjustable orbital settings for smoother cuts. The metal base plate supports angled cuts up to 45 degrees. It is a versatile tool for achieving clean, precise cuts across a variety of woodworking tasks. Milescraft Glue Mate. Applying glue evenly without mess can be frustrating, especially on small joints. The Milescraft Glue Mate uses a multi-chamber design that allows smooth glue flow at different angles without interruption. It includes interchangeable tips for both narrow and wide applications, giving better control on dowels and flat joints. The anti-drip cap keeps glue fresh between uses. It is a practical tool for clean, precise glue application with minimal waste. Jorgensen Cabinet Claw. Aligning cabinets perfectly during installation can take multiple adjustments and extra hands. The Jorgensen Cabinet Claw holds cabinet frames securely while allowing you to drill and fasten without shifting. It features protective pads to prevent surface damage and dual adjustments for tightening and alignment. A built-in guide hole ensures accurate pilot drilling. It is a reliable tool for achieving fast, precise cabinet alignment during installation. POWERTEC Pocket Hole Jig. Creating strong wood joints quickly can be difficult without proper guidance. The POWERTEC Pocket Hole Jig provides an adjustable system for drilling angled holes with consistent spacing. It includes a step drill bit, stop collar, and dust port for cleaner operation. Built from durable materials, it supports different wood thicknesses. It is a dependable tool for achieving strong, accurate joinery in furniture and cabinet projects. Bessey Parallel Clamp. Maintaining even pressure during glue-ups is essential for clean, square assemblies. The Bessey Parallel Clamp features large parallel jaws that distribute pressure evenly across the workpiece. Its steel rail construction ensures strength, while protective pads prevent surface damage. The ergonomic handle allows smooth tightening and release. It is a reliable tool for achieving stable, accurate clamping during woodworking assembly tasks. Going Make Corner Clamps. Keeping pieces perfectly square during assembly can be difficult when parts shift under pressure. The Going Make Corner Clamps are designed to hold materials at accurate 90-degree angles using CNC machined aluminum construction. Their wide jaws and precise edges help align boards quickly while freeing your hands for fastening. Suitable for cabinets, frames, and boxes, they improve consistency, It is a practical tool for achieving strong, perfectly aligned corner joints with less effort. Kreg inline clamp. Clamping workpieces without blocking your workspace is often a challenge during detailed tasks. The Kreg inline clamp fits into standard 3-4-inch bench dog holes and applies controlled side pressure up to around 250 pounds. Its low-profile design keeps the surface clear, while the adjustable dial fine-tunes pressure. It works well with irregular shapes and tight setups. It is a smart tool for maintaining stability without interrupting your workflow. WEN Compound Miter Saw. Making accurate crosscuts, bevels, and angled cuts requires a reliable saw. The WEN Compound Miter Saw features a powerful motor delivering up to 5,500 RPM for clean cuts. It supports bevel cuts up to 45 degrees and miter cuts in both directions. The included blade, support arms, and dust bag improve usability. It is a dependable tool for achieving precise cuts in framing, trim, and general woodworking projects. EZARC Countersink Drill Bit Set. Achieving flush screw finishes requires more than standard drilling. The EZARC Countersink Drill Bit Set combines drilling and countersinking in one step, allowing screws to sit cleanly within the surface. Made from treated high-speed steel, the bits provide durability and smooth cutting. It includes adjustable depth stops for consistent results. It is a reliable set for creating clean, professional screw installations in woodworking tasks. WEN Compound Miter Saw. Handling different materials with precision can slow you down if your saw lacks versatility. The WEN Compound Miter Saw features a powerful motor with dual speed settings and supports bevel cuts up to 45 degrees. Its sliding rail design increases cutting capacity, while the laser guide helps maintain accuracy. Compatible with wood, PVC, and soft metals, it adapts to various tasks. It is a reliable tool for achieving clean, controlled cuts across multiple materials. BellaDimora Wood Carving Kit. Detailed carving requires sharp tools and steady control, especially for beginners. The BellaDimora Wood Carving Kit includes multiple high-carbon steel knives designed for different carving tasks. Ergonomic wooden handles improve comfort during long sessions, while the included safety gloves add protection. It supports both rough shaping and fine detailing work. It is a practical kit for creating clean, precise carvings with better control and consistency. Wolfcraft hand screwdriver with bit holder. Working in tight or recessed areas can make standard screwdrivers difficult to use. The Wolfcraft hand screwdriver features a compact design with a quick-change bit holder for fast swapping. Its ergonomic handle improves grip and torque transfer, while the reduced shaft diameter allows access to narrow spaces. Compatible with standard hex bits, it offers flexibility. It is a dependable tool for handling fastening tasks where precision and access are critical. True Position Tools Pro Cabinet Hardware Jig. Installing cabinet handles evenly can be time-consuming without proper guidance. The True Position Tools Pro Cabinet Hardware Jig uses precision machined aluminum with engraved scales for accurate positioning. Hardened steel bushings ensure clean drilling, while adjustable settings support various handle sizes. It simplifies layout and installation in one setup. It is a reliable tool for achieving consistent, professional cabinet hardware placement with minimal effort. Lytool Countersink Drill Bit Set. Creating clean pilot holes with proper countersinking can be inconsistent without a dedicated set. The Lytool Countersink Drill Bit Set combines drilling and countersinking in one step, using high-speed steel bits designed for durability. Adjustable depth stops allow precise control, while the replaceable bits extend tool life. Compatible with standard drills, it works across wood and plastic materials. It is a practical set for achieving smooth, professional screw finishes with consistent accuracy. ALLWAY Handy Saw. Cutting in tight or awkward spaces often requires a more flexible tool than a standard saw. The ALLWAY Handy Saw features a compact frame with quick change blades that can be positioned in multiple directions. Its ergonomic pistol grip improves control, while the lightweight design reduces fatigue. It cuts through wood, plastic, and metal depending on the blade used. It is a versatile tool for handling detailed cuts where larger saws cannot reach. Jellas 5-inch Orbital Sander. Achieving a smooth finish without swirl marks is essential for quality results. The Jellas 5-inch orbital sander uses a random orbit motion with adjustable speeds up to around 13,000 RPM. Its powerful motor and multiple sanding discs handle different surfaces effectively. A built-in dust collection system helps keep the workspace cleaner. It is a reliable tool for efficient sanding and achieving consistent surface finishes. Massca locking C-clamp. Holding materials securely during cutting or assembly is critical for precision and safety. The Massca locking C-clamp features a strong carbon steel build with a deep throat design for wider reach. Its locking mechanism allows one-handed operation, while swivel pads adjust to different surfaces. Suitable for woodworking, welding, and repairs, it provides stable grip under pressure. It is a dependable tool for maintaining control during demanding tasks. Metabo corded paint remover tool. Removing old paint or coatings manually can take hours and damage the surface if not done carefully. The Metabo corded paint remover tool uses rotating carbide blades designed for controlled material removal without excessive force. Its die-cast aluminum housing improves durability and heat dissipation, while the lock-on switch supports continuous operation. A dust extraction connection helps maintain a cleaner workspace. It is a reliable tool for fast, controlled surface preparation. Pica-Dry Longlife automatic pencil. Marking accurately on rough or dusty surfaces can be difficult with standard pencils. The Pica-Dry Longlife automatic pencil is designed with a protected mechanism that resists dust and moisture. Its strong lead holding system prevents slipping, while interchangeable leads allow marking on wood, metal, and plastic. The ergonomic grip improves handling during extended use. It is a dependable tool for consistent, precise marking in any working condition. Honing Sharpening Jig. Maintaining sharp edges on chisels and plane blades requires consistent angles. The Honing Sharpening Jig holds tools securely and allows controlled sharpening at fixed angles. Built with durable materials and smooth rollers, it ensures stability during use. Adjustable settings support different blade widths, making it versatile for various tools. It is a practical tool for achieving sharp, precise edges with repeatable results. Kreg Concealed Hinge Jig. Installing concealed hinges accurately can be challenging without proper guidance. The Kreg Concealed Hinge Jig helps drill precise 35mm cup holes with consistent positioning. It includes a carbide-tipped bit and depth stop for controlled drilling. Adjustable settings allow different hinge offsets, making it suitable for various cabinet designs. It is a reliable tool for achieving clean, professional hinge installation with minimal setup. TOOLCOOL Router Plane. Fine-tuning joinery and leveling grooves can be difficult with standard tools. The TOOLCOOL Router Plane is designed for precise depth control when trimming dados, mortises, and tenons. Built with an aluminum alloy body, it provides stability while the high-speed steel blade delivers clean cuts. The adjustable depth mechanism allows fine adjustments, and the wooden handle improves control. It is a dependable tool for achieving accurate, smooth joinery finishes. That brings us to the end of these 25 genius woodworking tools that can completely transform how you work in your workshop. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like it, drop your favorite tool in the comments, and subscribe to AU Techverse for more smart, practical tool content that helps you work faster, more accurately, and with total confidence every single time.